Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's make this raisin cake together. I have my raisin here. I have the rest ingredients. So the next thing, I will just pour my natural yogurt on the bowl. This is my natural yogurt. Followed by sugar. I will add my sugar and I will break my egg. I use 2 eggs for this cake. So 2 eggs, guys. It doesn't need much. So the next thing, I will just mix everything together. Mix very well before we add all the rest ingredients into the bowl. As you can see, I'm just mixing everything. Mix it very well. I'm going to sift my flour. I add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So the next thing, I just sift everything together. When I'm done with that, I will just mix everything together. Keep washing. Now I'm going to add the oil on it. I will keep on mixing. All the measurements will be in the description box. Don't forget to check it out to try this recipe. It's very delicious for children, guys. Even for breakfast for adults, why not? I just keep on mixing. If you watch me to this moment, guys, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share to friends and family. God bless you as you do so. I am done with the mixing, so I'm just going to put butter on my mold to make it easy when the cake is already baked. That is what I'm doing now. So I'm done with that. I'm just pouring it inside. So that is what I'm doing. I'm going to bake this cake for 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes, guys. Now I'm just going to put my raisin in. So I'm just pouring it inside as demonstrating on the video. So that's what I'm doing. I'm turning it so that the raisin can go everywhere. Our cake is ready, guys. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of powdered sugar on it to give it another more flavor. Why not? So that is what I'm just doing as demonstrate. So I'm going to cut it. Let's see what we have inside, guys. So let's taste it. Let me see what we have inside. So wow, it really looks nice. Also delicious, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.